I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we have a challenging question on quadratic equations application. The question here is: solve the equation 3 to the power of 2x minus 12 times 3 to the power of x plus 27 equals to 0. Let me rewrite this equation. It is 3 to the power of 2x minus 12 times 3 to the power of x plus 27 equals to 0. I'd like you to pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestion. Now this is a thinking and communication question. So this equation do give you an idea of some quadratic form, but directly it is not a quadratic equation. It is more exponential equation. But if we substitute 3 to the power of x as, let us say, y, then what happens? Then 3 to the power of 2x will be equal to what? Y square, correct? So, and if we substitute that in the equation, what happens? Let us see. 3 to the power of 2x we are writing as y square, so we get y square here, minus 12 times 3 to the power of x as y plus 27 equals to 0. Now it becomes a quadratic equation, and it can be solved with the techniques which we have learned in this chapter, right? So let us solve this equation using factoring. So since the coefficient is 1, we are looking for two numbers p and q whose product should be 27 and whose sum should be equal to minus 12, right? So both numbers should be of the same sign since we want sum as positive, and they should be both negative since we want them to be adding to minus 12, correct? So the numbers are 9 times 3 is 27, both negative, correct? 9 times 3 is 27, both negative. So we can now factor this as y minus 9 times y minus 3, correct? Equals to 0. Now with that, how can we find the value of x? Well, we can substitute y as 3 to the power of x back into the equation, right? Now this 2 factors equal to 0 gives us a result that y is equals to 9 or y is equals to 3, right? Then they will be 0. Now for y equals to 9 and y equals to 3, we can find the value of x. Y is indeed equals to 3 to the power of x. So let us substitute back 3 to the power of x for y. So we get 3 to the power of x is equals to 9. And here we'll get 3 to the power of x is equals to 3. Now what is the value of x which is going to give you 9 as your result? Well, we know 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Therefore, x is equals to 2. This is one way of thinking, correct? Well, that's the right way. 3 to the power of 1 is 3, and therefore x equals to 1 is the solution, right? So we get two solutions for this equation. One is x is equals to 2, the other one is x equals to 1. You get an idea. So if you have this kind of an equation, what you can do is you can substitute the exponential part as another variable and then solve it like a quadratic equation. Then substitute back and get your values for the unknown variable. I hope that helps. Thank you.